In this video, I'm going to show how I made this app using ChatGPT 4.0 completely for free. Keep in mind that I forgot to record during the time of making this app, so I won't be able to show all the steps properly, nor will I able to show all the problems. But anyways, let's start. I started by telling ChatGPT my idea, which is a silent D&D timer, and asked which language should I use. It told me Kotlin would be the better choice for Android. Let's explain what my app is really about. Suppose you're in a short business meeting like this and you want to turn off silent mode for 20 minutes. You go to my app and you click 20 minutes and turn silent mode on. Automatically after 20 minutes the silent mode will turn off. Coming back to the video, I told ChatGPT that I don't know Kotlin. This will make sure ChatGPT will do all the steps by itself. This will help those who don't know Kotlin in this video to understand how to make an app by themselves using ChatGPT 4.0. After providing the design as well as explaining the features to ChatGPT, I asked it to explain the features what it understood from my prompt. It got most of the things right. It then asked me some questions for clarification. After answering them, I proceeded on downloading Android Studio after following its steps. Then we proceeded on designing the UI. I also told ChatGPT to give me directions on where to paste. This will make sure ChatGPT does all the steps by itself. After a bit of copying and pasting later, I made the first preview version. Here, most of the functionality does not work. Only the scroll bars work and the buttons does not work. Making this version led my hopes up. However, this was a very false hope, since making and adding the functionality was going to cause a lot of problems, and so it did. And it was the first of many more to come. I realized that fixing the errors in the same chat will cause ChatGPT to be confused, so I asked another ChatGPT to fix the errors instead. I then gave the updated code to the original chat. Anyways, I also thought of using Canvas to fix the code. However, it did not work as intended and made things worse. It caused ChatGPT to be confused, and it happened because Canvas was really new and was not refined. Also, I told ChatGPT to list me the problems what it understood from my prompt. This would allow me to understand what it understood from my prompt. I gave the design again to ChatGPT because I thought ChatGPT forgot about it. I chose iOS 10 bedtime feature because it had the perfect lock interface that I couldn't draw. Apple, please don't sue me because of it. Thank you. I made the prompt by telling another ChatGPT to explain the design. This saved me some time. As the chat kept getting longer, I realized that ChatGPT was expecting me to do some of the steps. When I told it to do everything by itself and guide me how to do it, it made errors. I tried fixing the errors with ChatGPT, but it could not do it. It always left out some problems. ChatGPT could not fix it no matter what, so I told another ChatGPT to fix it. The funny thing was that ChatGPT also made errors, fixing the errors, so I told another ChatGPT to update the code, and it worked, thanks to God. After a while, ChatGPT was able to make the circle of the clock interface. It was a very nice milestone. This got my hopes up, and I told ChatGPT to complete the design. As you can see, it looks better, and now there will be small design improvements, so I will put them in one go. See from the second one that the hour markers are not in the correct position. It took me 2 tries to fix them, and you can see in all of them that the draggable handles are half the duration time. Luckily, I was able to fix it in the next try, but the draggable handles were a little bit off. When ChatGPT tried to fix it, the position got a little bit off to the left side here, so I told ChatGPT to fix it. However, you can see that ChatGPT could not do it since the draggable handles position did not match the duration time. Obviously, ChatGPT made it worse. I don't know, it just thought the center of the circle was something else entirely out of the app's visible area. When it tried fixing it again, guess what? It still made errors. It made the draggable handles half the duration time while keeping the duration bar in the correct position. I told ChatGPT to fix it again, and it made it even worse. Like, it does not even look like a clock anymore. I was honestly getting very hopeless at this point. No matter what I did, ChatGPT kept making it worse. So now you can guess what comes next. A little circle. I just gave up hope at this point. ChatGPT just made it into a circle, and no matter what I did, how much I tried, ChatGPT just could not do it. So I removed the entire variable handle, and suddenly the final product was formed without any errors. So the main thing ChatGPT could not do was the variable handles. In the final version of the app, I added a blue duration bar that overlaps the yellow bar when the time crosses 12-hour mark. This allows for better understanding when the time is more than 12 hours. Then I told ChatGPT to make me a logo. It looks nice. I also told ChatGPT to give me the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. I told ChatGPT to add it to the app, but ChatGPT could not do it, so I left it out. This is useful arc, and thank you for watching.